said Ice is not going to invite me to his next event regardless if I win or lose. Like, what? Bro's just... Oh, I'm about to hit the ground. It's 2 feet. It's 2 feet. And I hit the ground. I'm hitting the ground. I'm touching the ground. I'm on the ground. Oh, it's 1.8. Ah! Oh my God, bro. Not this again. I'm in the deep part. It says it's 20 feet here on Navionics. God damn it. Oh my God, that sounds bad. Bro. Dude, I don't have time for this, bro. I'm gonna try going forward. It says it's 5 feet now. Dumb idiot, can't read a map, you're retarded. Not every map is right, bro. It says I'm in 6 feet on Navionics. Laying there isn't gonna help? Yes, it is, bro. Eventually the water will get high enough and I'll float into freedom. I shouldn't have to evacuate, I don't think. Why should I have to evacuate? There's nowhere that I can go. I mean, I can go places with the dinghy. I mean, the worst that happens is my boat turns completely sideways. I mean, which is literally gonna happen. Because at 1 a.m., it's gonna be... Oh! Ah! Okay, maybe I should prep the dinghy for evac. Oh, that's why... Oh, I'm gonna really start tilting, bro. I'm facing... Oh, no. Oh my God, this is so bad. This is actually so bad. This is actually bad. This is actually bad, bro. This is actually bad, bro. Every time a wave comes, my boat just slams on the ground, dude. If there's a rock, there could hole a hole in my boat. Ah! Ah! Don't not be any creatures inside here, bro. Please, bro, just be like the beach. Don't not be any snakes or nothing crazy. Or no crabs or stingrays or sharks. Please. Please. I'm scared. I feel like there's something down there maybe. What? Oh my God, there's fish. Oh my God. Oh my God. Dude. Bro. Oh, hell nah. I told you guys this shit was bad. Dude, the keel's not even down there that far. Bro. Oh, nah. Dude, my boat did not have this many scrapes before. Wait, let me go see how well the anchor's doing. What is that thing? What is that, bro? What is that? What the f is that black thing, bro? It's moving. What is that? It's a sausage. Ah! I think it was a seashell. I think that was a seashell. Oh my God, it was a f***ing crab! It's a crab! That thing! Oh, hell no! Bro, the anchor is so deep. The anchor is in the water. The anchor is in the sand, I mean. That means other stuff could be hiding in the sand. Oh my God. I was not scared, and now I'm kind of, oh my God. What do I do? Wait, should I go walk and put my anchor deeper in the water? I feel like I should stay out of the water for that. All right, yeah, I don't think my boat's gonna tip any further. No, I'm actually scared of this water, bro. There could be anything underneath. Muted, whoops. All right, well, now you guys can understand the situation more. This shit looks crazy, bro. My boat is really beached. All I know is the bottom did not look this messed up when they put it in the water. I can see if there's any cracks. Oh my God, dude. Actually, there's like another layer of paint inside. My dinghy's also beached. I really thought I was gonna have to bail. Now that's just something else that I'm gonna have to put back. It's completely just in the ground. Fenders out, by the way. Dude, they fell off. Try to walk a tightrope. You're gonna rip your cleat off? No, I'm not. What the happened? I just got grounded and then the tide went away. And now I'm just here. I mean, the keel's honestly fine. I think. The keel literally looks fine. Is that cracked? No, there's no crack. There's just chips. Although that might be a small crack right there. Right there. See the line? Keep this view so new viewer can join cause thumbnail. When does the thumbnail restart? Bro, like why am I here, dude? Like why, bro? Oh my God. I can't even go anywhere if I wanted, bro. I mean, I guess I could if I really, really wanted, but I can't really do that. The crabs are too small to eat. Not getting to Miami at this rate. Of course this happens right as I extend the bet, bro. So dumb. You'll be too tired when tow arrives to get rest. Like, I would skydive with no parachute for $1 million, maybe. Maybe not, actually.
This program was made possible by contributions from viewers like you. Thank you.